Good, excellent, wonderful, fantastic, bad, awful, terrible, horrible, hot, warm, boiling, scorching, cold, freezing, chilly, icy, beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, lovely, ugly, hideous, unattractive, unsightly, smart, intelligent, bright, genius, dumb, foolish, stupid, clueless. Start, begin, initiate, launch, end, finish, conclude, wrap up, help, assist, aid, support, hurt, injure, harm, damage, love, adore, cherish, treasure, like, enjoy, appreciate, prefer, hate, dislike, loathe, detest, walk, stroll, saunter, hike, run, sprint, dash, race, talk, speak, chat, converse, listen, hear, eavesdrop, attend, see, look, view, watch, eat, devour, munch, feast, drink, sip, gulp, swallow, think, contemplate, reflect, meditate, buy, purchase, acquire, obtain, sell, trade, exchange, market, give, offer, donate, deliver, take, grab, seize, snatch, clean, tidy, sanitize, neaten, dirty, filthy, messy, grimy, open, unlock, uncover, widen, close, shut, seal, block, find, discover, locate, unearth, lose, misplace, drop, forget, new, fresh, modern, recent, old, ancient, aged, outdated, happy, content, glad, satisfied, angry, mad, furious, upset, friend, buddy, pal, companion, enemy, foe, rival, opponent, work, job, task, duty, play, enjoy, have fun, amuse, sleep, nap, rest, doze, wake, rise, get up, awaken, strong, powerful, sturdy, robust, weak, fragile, feeble, frail, light, bright, luminous, radiant, dark, dim, shadowy, gloomy, angry, mad, furious, upset, animal, creature, beast, being, answer, reply, respond, solution.